Hello kids, Shubhamangalam. Welcome to kindergarten section. Myself Mrs. Nazrina taking subject maths. Today's topic is addition. Yes, today's topic is addition. Adding 0 to a number. If we add 0 to number, what answer we'll get? That we are going to learn today. Yes, in additions, we will learn addition of 0. Addition of 0 to a number. ADDITION. Addition. This is known as addition sign. Yes, addition sign or plus sign. Addition sign or plus sign. This is addition sign. ADDITION. 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 ADDING. 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 ZERO. Zero. This is zero, no? Yes. Zero. 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 TO. Two. TO. Two. NUMBER. 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 Adding 0 to a number. When we add 0 to any number, what answer we will get? See here. WHEN, when. WHEN, when. WEV, WEV. ADD, add. ADD, add. ZERO, zero. ZERO, zero. TO, two. NUMBER, number. NUMBER, number. THE, the. ANSWER, answer. ANSWER, answer. IS, is. THE, the. NUMBER, number. NUMBER, number. IT, SLF. SELF, self. IT, it. SELF, self. It, self. When we add 0, when we add 0 to any number, when we add 0 to any number, the answer will be the number itself. Yes, when we add 0 to any number, here 0 is added to which number? 5. Here 0 is added to which number? 5. So when we add 0 to any number, the answer will be number itself. You will get the same number. When you add 0 to any number, you will get the same number. Come on, say. You should learn this definition. When you add 0 to any number, you will get the same number. Yes, when we add 0 to any number, we get the same number. The answer will be the number itself. Here we should write the answer, no? So what answer will get? The same number itself. When we add 0 to any number, the answer we get is same number itself. Yes, when we add 0 to a number, you should learn this. Start writing. Take out your maths classwork. Write heading, addition, and write this adding 0 to a number. Come on, write main heading, subheading. Write and leave one line and copy this also. Copy this also. When we add 0 to a number, you should learn this. When we add 0 to a number, take your classwork, say and write. When we add 0 to a number, the answer is the number itself. The answer here is equal to, here you should write the answer. What answer you get it in? The number itself. You will get the same number. WHEN, when. Come on, write. WHEN, when. WEV, WEV. ADD, add. ADD, add. ZERO, zero. ZERO, zero. TO, two. NUMBER, number. NUMBER, number. THE, the. ANSWER, answer. ANSWER, answer. IS, is. THE, the. NUMBER, number. NUMBER, number. it, self, it, self, self, itself. When we add 0 to a number, the answer is the number itself. Yes, this addition is known as vertical addition. Yes, writing numbers and signs in a straight line. Yes, this is known as vertical addition. This is known as vertical addition. Yes, read out vertical addition. Yes, which number is this? 5. Which sign is this? Plus. And which number is this? 0. You will read this. 5 plus 0 equal to. 5 plus 0 is equal to. You will read once again. 5 plus 0 is equal to. How much? Yes. This is known as vertical addition. This is known as horizontal addition. This is known as horizontal addition. We will learn vertical addition. Yes, this is horizontal addition. Which addition is this? Horizontal. 5 plus 0. Writing the numbers in the straight line. Yes, writing the numbers in the straight line is known as horizontal. Writing the numbers one below the other. One below the other is known as vertical. Yes. So what is this? Which addition is this? Horizontal. Which addition is this? Horizontal. Writing the numbers one after other in a straight line. In a straight line and adding. Horizontal. And what is this? Vertical. Yes. Horizontal means sleeping way. Horizontal means sleeping way. Horizontal means sleeping. How the numbers are written? In a straight line. In a sleeping line. How the numbers are written? In a horizontal way, in a sleeping way. Yes, so it is known as horizontal addition. Now next is vertical. Vertical means writing the numbers one after another. Writing the numbers. This will be vertical. 5 plus 0 is equal to. This is known as vertical. Yes, standing way. Writing the numbers in standing way. No, standing line. Like standing line. Horizontal, sleeping line. Horizontal, sleeping line. Vertical, standing. So this is horizontal addition. 5 plus 0 is equal to how much? Now what we have learned in the definition? When we add 0 to any number, the answer will be the same number. Why? Because 0 does not have any value. No value for 0. 0 means nothing. 0 means nothing, no value. If you get one chocolate, then you will say I have one chocolate. If you get two chocolates, you will say I have two chocolates. If you don't get any chocolates, that means 0 chocolates, no chocolates. Nothing means 0. Yes, nothing means 0. If you get one, you will say I have one chocolate, I have 3 chocolates, I have 4 chocolates. If the child did not get any chocolate, that means nothing. No chocolates means 0 chocolates. Yes or no? So 0. What is the value of 0? Nothing. No value for 0. No, nothing. So 5 plus 0 will be 5 only. 5 plus 0 is equal to the same number only. Why? Because the number remains the same. Because 0 means nothing. 0 means nothing. So the number, if you had 1 or 2 or 3, then the number will increase. Then the number will increase. 5 plus 2, the number will increase. 5 plus 3, the number will increase. But here 0. 0 means no value. No value. No, 0 means nothing. 0 means nothing. So 5 plus 0 will be 5 only. 5 plus 0 will be 5 only. Because 0 means nothing. 0 means nothing. If you add 5 plus 1, then how much it will be? 5 plus 1, 6. 5 plus 1, 6. Yes or no? 4 plus 1, 5. 4 plus 1 will be 5. But 5, then 0 means nothing. 0 means nothing. It will remain same. 5 plus 0 will be 5 only. If you add 1 to 5, then it will be 6. 5 plus 1, it will be 6. But 5 plus 0 means nothing. So 5 plus 0 will be 5 only. Same number. So whenever you add 0 to any number, you will get the same number. Understood now? Why? Because 0 means nothing. 0 means nothing. So 5 plus 0 will be 5 only. Yes. This is which addition is this? Horizontal, sleeping way addition. Yes. 5 plus 0 will be 5 only. Now say, read out second one. 3. Which sign is this? Plus 0. 3 plus 0 is equal to. 3 plus 0 is equal to how much? Number itself. 3 plus 0 will be 3 only. 3 plus 0 will be 3 only. Understood? 3 plus 0 will be 3 only. 5 plus 0, 5. 5 plus 0, number itself. 3 plus 0, 3, number itself. Understood? Why? Because 0 means nothing. 0 means we will not add anything. We will not add anything. 3 plus 0, 3 only. 3 plus 0, 3 only. Now see here how many markers I have in one hand. 3 markers. In another hand, nothing. That means 0. That means 0. Yes. In one hand I have 3 markers. In another hand, no markers. No. So 0. Nothing. If we put this all together, yes. 3 markers and here nothing in this hand. So 0 markers. So how much it will be? 3 only, no? Yes. Why? Because in another hand I don't have anything. Nothing means 0. So 3 plus this 0 will be 3 only. 3 plus 0 will be 3 only. If I have 2 markers in one hand and 1 marker in another hand. Yes, 2 markers in one hand and another 1 marker in another hand. If we put all this together, then how much now? 1, 2, 3 markers. Yes or no? Yes. But if all these 3 are in one hand and in another hand nothing, 0. Yes. No markers, 0 markers. Then if we add all this, what will be there? 3 only, no? So any number added to 0 will give you the same number. You will get the same number. Now read out this question. 9 plus 0 is equal to how much? Now say me. 9 plus 0 is equal to how much? 9 only. Number itself. What you will get? Number itself. Because 0 means nothing. We can't add anything. 0 means nothing. No, so we can't add anything. So 9 plus 0 will be 9 only. 9 plus 0 will be 9 only. Now read out this question. 2 plus 0 is equal to how much? Which sign is this? Equal to sign. Which sign is this? Equal to sign. So 2 plus 0 equal to how much? 2 plus 0 will be 2 only. Number itself. Yes. You are writing. You should leave one line and write. For this definition also leave one line and write. For this sums also, horizontal addition also, after A, leave one line and write B. After B, leave one line and write C. Okay. Now read this E1. Which number is this? 6. Which number is this? 6 plus 0. 6 plus 0 equal to how much? You should say me now. 6 plus 0 equal to 6 only. Same number only. Why? Because 0 means nothing. 0 means nothing. 6 plus 0 is equal to 6 only. 6 plus 0, 6 only. 6 plus 0, 6 only. Now read out this one. 4 plus 0 is equal to how much? 4 plus 0 is equal to how much? Say me. Which number you have? 4 is added to 0. 4 is added to 0. 0 means nothing. So same number 4 is the answer. Same number 4 will be the answer. Why? Because 0 means nothing. No value for 0. So 4 plus 0 is equal to 4 only. 4 plus 0 is equal to 4 only. Whichever number we are adding with 0, the same number will be your answer. Whichever number we are adding with 0, the same number will be your answer. Yes. Now next one. Read out. 1 plus 0 is equal to. 1 plus 0 is equal to. Now here say me which number is added to 0. Which number is added to 0? 1 is added to 0. Yes or no? 1 is added to 0. So answer will be 1 only. Got it? 1 is added to 0. So answer will be 1 itself. 1 is added to 0. So the answer will be 1 itself. Why? Because 0 means nothing. 0 means nothing. We can't add anything. 0 means we can't add anything. So the number will take answer as the same number. And now say me which addition is this? This is known as sleeping addition, no? Horizontal addition. What is this addition known as? Horizontal addition. In sleeping way, we wrote the numbers in sleeping way and we added, no? So this is known as horizontal addition. Shall we read once again? Come on, read with me. 5 plus 0 is equal to 5. 5 plus 0 is equal to 5. 5 plus 0 is equal to 5. This horizontal addition you will write in one paper. This definition and horizontal addition you will write in one paper. In second paper you will write vertical addition. Okay, in second paper you will use two papers for this. In one paper you will write this definition and you will write horizontal addition. In second paper you will write vertical addition. Okay, read now. 5 plus 0 is equal to 5. 5 plus 0 is equal to 5. 3 plus 0 is equal to 3. 3 plus 0 is equal to 3. 3 plus 0 is equal to 3. Read out. 9 plus 0 is equal to 9. 9 plus 0 is equal to 9. 9 plus 0 is equal to 9. 2 plus 0 is equal to 2. 2 plus 0 is equal to 2. 2 plus 0 is equal to 2. 6 plus 0 is equal to 6. 6 plus 0 is equal to 6. 4 plus 0 is equal to 4. 4 plus 0 is equal to 4. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. Here see, we added number to 0. Yes, when we had any number to 0, we'll get the same number. This is number and this is 0. So we are getting the same number as answer. Yes, here 9 is added to 0. 9 is added to 0. So answer what you will get? The number only. 2 plus 0. Which number we added to 0 here? 2. So the answer will be 2. 6 plus 0. Which number we added to 0? 6 we added to 0. So the answer will be 6 itself. Understood? So this addition is known as horizontal addition. Now we will go to vertical addition. In vertical addition, we will write the numbers like this, one below the other. In horizontal addition, we will write the numbers in a straight line. Yes, we write the numbers in one line only. But in vertical addition, we will write the numbers one below the other. We will use 3 lines for one sum. We will use 3 lines. 5 we will write in one line. Below 5, exactly below 5 you will write 0. Yes. Plus sign next to 0. Then on the lines you will draw these 2 lines. Yes, you are following, you are writing in your single rule class book. No, so on the lines you will draw these 2 lines. Your single rule book is in this way. Yes, yes, you will write 5 in one line. Listen, 5 in one line. While writing this vertical addition, you will not leave line. While writing this horizontal addition, after A, you will leave one line and write B. Yes. When you are putting the numbers, you will not leave line. When you are putting the numbers one after another, one below the other, you will not leave line. 5 in first line, then you will write 0 immediately in the next line. Yes. Then next to 0, you will put plus sign. Next to 0, you will put plus sign. Then you will draw lines on the line. This is your single rule book, no? On the line. Yes. 5 plus 0 is equal to 5 plus 0. After finishing this A sum, then you will leave one line. In one row you can do 3 sums. In one row you can do 3 sums. A, B and here C. Yes. After finishing these 3 rows, then you will leave one line and you will write D, E, F down. Understood? You will write 5, then 0, then next to 0 you will put plus sign. Now say me, 5 plus 0. How we are going to read this? 5 plus 0. 5 plus 0, how much? Whenever you add 0 to any number, what answer you will get? Whenever you add 0 to any number, you will get the same number. You will get the same number. So, what is the number here we added to 0? 5 we added to 0. The same number 5 is your answer. Yes. When you do vertical addition also, you will get the same answer. Horizontal addition also you are getting the same answer. In vertical addition also you will get the same answer. Yes, both the ways are correct. If you do horizontally also, you will get the same answer, number 5. If you do vertically also, you will get the same answer, number 5. Yes, understood? This is horizontal and this is vertical. 5 plus 0 is equal to 5. Whenever you add 0 to any number, you will get the same number. Next one you should be able to answer now. Which number is this? Yes, which number is this? Number 8. Which number is this? Number 8. Plus sign. Yes, plus sign. Below 8, exactly below 8, you will put 0. You will write 0. You will write 0. Then you will draw these two lines on the lines. Two lines on the lines. Now read how you will read this. 8 plus 0. How much? 8 plus 0. Come on, give answer. 8 plus 0. How much? What number we added to 0 here? 8 we added to 0. So the answer will be 8 only. 8 we added to 0. No. The answer will be 8 only. 8 plus 0 is equal to 8 itself. So which number we are adding to 0, we will get the answer same number. We will get the answer same number. Understood? Now next say this. Which number is this? 4. Which number is this? 4. Plus. First you will write plus sign. After writing 4, plus sign. Then exactly below 4 you will write 0. These numbers should be exactly 8 plus 0. 8 and 0 should be in the straight line. 8 and 0 should be in the straight line. Don't put the numbers zigzag way. This is, some children will do like this. 8, then below 8 plus sign will be there and 0 will be somewhere. Is it correct? No. Yes. Below 8 you will write 0. And plus sign will be side. Okay. Understood? You will write like this. Number should come one after other. Exactly one after another in a straight line. Now, read out this 4 plus 0. How much it will be? 4 plus 0. Now say which number you added to 0 here? We added 4 to 0. We added 4 to 0. So your answer will be 4 itself. Your answer will be 4 itself. 4 plus 0 is equal to 4. 4 plus 0 is equal to 4. Now shall we see in horizontal? 4 plus 0 is equal to 4. In vertical also we will get the same answer. 4 plus 0 is equal to 4. Now next one, D1. Which number we did not write? Now read out which number is this? Number 7. Which number is this? Number 7. Plus 0. Plus 0 is equal to how much? Now read out this question. 7 plus 0 is equal to. 7 plus 0 is equal to how much? Give answer. Here which number we added to 0? Here we added 7 to 0. Here which number we added in this? We added 7 to 0. We added 7 to 0. So the answer will be the same number. Which number we added to 0? 7. So the answer will be the number itself. 7 itself. The answer will be 7 itself. 7 plus 0, 7. 7 plus 0, 7. Not only these small numbers. If you add 10 plus 0 will be 10 only. If you add 0 to any big number also, you will get the same number. 10 plus 0, 10 only. 50 plus 0, 50 only. Yes. 100 plus 0, 100 only. So whenever you added 0 to any number, you will get the same number. 99 plus 0, which number you added to 0? 99. So your answer will be 99 only. So 7 plus 0 is equal to 7. Number itself. Even. 3 plus 0 is equal to 3 plus 0 is equal to 3 plus 0. How you will read this? 3 plus 0. In this also 3 plus 0. No? In vertical also you will read in the same way. 3 plus 0. 3 plus 0. How much? Which number you added to 0 here? We added 3 to 0. We added 3 to 0. So your answer will be number itself. Which number is given in this? Sum 3 is given. So the answer will be 3 itself. 3 plus 0 is equal to 3 only. Number itself. Now F1. Which number will write? 9. Yes, which number is this? 9 plus 0. 9 plus 0. How you will read this? 9 plus 0. 9 plus 0. Now say me which number we added to 0? 9 is added to 0. If you add 9 to 0, what answer you will get? 9 only. If you add 9 to 0, you will get the same number. Number itself 9. Number itself 9. Why we are getting the same number? 5 plus 0, 5 only. 8 plus 0, 8 only. 4 plus 0, 4 only. Why we are getting same number when we add 0 to any number? Why? Because 0 means nothing. 0 means nothing. Yes, if you have one chocolate, one pencil, you will say I have one pencil, I have two pencils, I have three pencils. If you don't have pencil, then what is that? You don't have pencil, nothing, no pencil. That means 0. Yes, 0. So the value of 0 is what? Nothing. So when you add any number to 0, you will get the same number. Complete this too in your classwork, and you will write this same for your homework also. HW. WRITE, write. SAME, same. AS, as. CW. Finish your classwork now. Write your classwork with good and neat handwriting. After that, you will write your homework also. Shall we read once again what we have learned today? Addition. What we have learned today? Addition. In addition, what we have learned? Adding 0 to a number. Yes, adding 0 to a number. WHEN, when. WEV, add. ZERO, 0. TO, 2. NUMBER, number. THE, the. ANSWER, answer. IS, is. THE, the. NUMBER, number. ITSELF, itself. When we add 0 to a number, the answer is the number itself. Come on, read. 5 plus 0, 5. 5 plus 0, 5. 3 plus 0 is equal to 3. 3 plus 0 is equal to 3. 9 plus 0 is equal to 9. 9 plus 0 is equal to 9. 2 plus 0 is equal to 2. 2 plus 0 is equal to 2. 6 plus 0 is equal to 6. 6 plus 0 is equal to 6. 4 plus 0 is equal to 4. 4 plus 0 is equal to 4. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. This is horizontal addition. What is this addition known as? Horizontal. And what is this addition known as? Vertical. Horizontal means writing the numbers in sleeping way. Vertical means writing the numbers in standing way. 5 plus 0 is equal to 5. 5 plus 0 is equal to 5. 8 plus 0 is equal to 8. 8 plus 0 is equal to 8. 4 plus 0 is equal to 4. 4 plus 0 is equal to 4. 7 plus 0 is equal to 7. 7 plus 0 is equal to 7. 3 plus 0 is equal to 3. 3 plus 0 is equal to 3. 9 plus 0 is equal to 9. 9 plus 0 is equal to 9. Addition of 0. If you add 0 to any number, you will get the same number as answer. So you will write these two papers. This topic you are going to write in two papers. One is your homework and one is your class work. Complete your work with good and neat handwriting and learn some more sums. Ask your parents to write horizontally few questions and vertically few questions. Addition of 0 and you try to do it on your own. Okay, ask your parents to put some questions for you so that you will, that is test for yourself. Yes, did you understood or not? You can test yourself. Ask your parents to put few numbers. You solve it on your own. Okay, this is your work. You should only do. If you do only, you will learn. Yes, don't ask your parents to write. Yes, children, this is your work. You complete your work. If you write class work, homework, then only you will understand what we are learning. If you ask your parents to write, no use, no. So try to write and learn. Okay, complete your work with good and neat handwriting. Thank you, children.